請大家以熱烈掌聲歡迎我哋嘅 General Manager 謝偉安先生。
Thank you. So, I know all of you want to be in the same position I'm in. So, every Sunday for the next 5 Sundays, look for these Zuji girls, Summer, Winter, Autumn, Spring and Zuji. Go to the site, take your photo, upload it, and you could be in one of those faraway places. Enjoy. So, on behalf of Zuji and all the Zuji girls and the Zuji team, thank you for coming. Please stay, enjoy the drinks, and thank you again, and we'll hopefully see you on the site. Thank you.